Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat not loading or crashing on our iPhone. Let's get started. For secure internet connection, Snapchat needs a strong and stable connection to work properly. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on or off to refresh your network. Next, close and reopen the Snapchat. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Snapchat to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app again. Now restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary glitches that can cause the app to crash. Turn off your iPhone, wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. Next, check your iPhone storage. Go to settings channel, then iPhone storage. So storage can slow app down and cause crashes. Delete unused app, photos or files if needed. If the app continues, delete and reinstall the Snapchat. Press and hold the Snapchat icon and tap remove app, then delete app. Install it from the app store and try logging it again. Finally, check Snapchat server status. Sometimes the app won't load because the server are down. If that's the case, waiting is the only solution. And that's it. This step should fix Snapchat not loading or crashing on our iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.